2024 is almost coming to an end and I want to end it with a bang. So I'm back with a brand new PC build video, and the kind of PC configuration we'll be building today, right? One of the most powerful configurations gaming PC we have ever built on the channel in the recent times, an all MSI Ultra Edition gaming PC build. Now this is going to be like super awesome, guys, and I'm pretty sure you people will fully enjoy it. So make sure to watch it till the end. As the name suggests, we'll be building like a very top tier gaming PC featuring like next gen components, and I've got some exclusive stuff from MSI on board, guys. So once we get there, I'll talk about this world's first exclusive feature on their components. So before we actually get started with the video and talk about the whole configuration, just like last time, in this video also I'll be doing like a special giveaway, guys. So once this video crosses 2000 likes, I will give this brand new Earbuds 6 from Noise as a special gift to one lucky subscriber. It's a unique TWS, guys, offers ANC, high quality audio as well. Lots of interesting features are there. So what are you waiting for? So once this video reaches that goal, I'll be picking a random lucky winner from the comment section down below. So don't forget to comment in the video, guys. Anyways, coming back to the PC build configuration, first of all, let's talk about the CPU. Obviously, we're building a top tier gaming PC. I'll be using something new gen only, right? So I went with Intel's Core Ultra 9 285K CPU, guys, recent launch from Intel. Now again, I won't be going in depth and talking about the platform architecture, what's exactly new, because we have already detailedly reviewed the Intel Core Ultra 9 on the launch day itself. In case if you guys missed the video, I'll leave a link to that in the card above. It's a 24 core 24 thread monster CPU with a max turbo clock of up to 5.7 GHz. Now for this CPU, obviously we'll have to go for like a top tier gaming motherboard as well, right? We have one of the finest motherboards you can buy in the market, MSI's all new MPG series Z890 carbon Wi-Fi motherboard. Features a brand new LGA1850 on socket, obviously to support the new Intel Core Ultra CPUs. Offers excellent build quality, 8-layer PCB with 2 ounces of thickened copper, and offers server grade level material on board. Now you're also getting like robust power supply, direct 20 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 phases power, guys, to offer excellent performance and to bring out the peak potential of the CPU. And not to miss out, the motherboard also offers easy DIY design, guys, for your M.2 installation and also your GPU as well. One click and one step process. You don't need any sort of screwdrivers. No, it is completely toolless design. The heatsink simply pops out like this and makes your SSD installation very convenient. So great for all the creators out there. And lastly, you're also getting next gen connectivity like Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth version 5.4, 5G plus 2.5G LAN, and not to miss out Thunderbolt 4 connectivity support as well. Now guys, remember at the beginning I've told you that we've got some next gen exclusive components from MSI over here. So this is one of the very first ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 ready motherboard. So thing is, previously on your older gen motherboards, you only used to get like a 24 pin 12 volt PSU connector, right? That used to take care of all the power for the CPU, GPU, all your fan controls and RGB lighting, right? So this was like ideal and used to get your job done for most of the scenarios. But if you're actually building like a very powerful configuration where you're trying to pair like a Intel Core Ultra 9 or maybe like Ryzen 9000 series CPU with like super powerful GPUs like a 4080 Super or 4090, right? At the same time, you're maybe using lots of fans in your PC and the whole RGB lighting control as well, right? In those sort of scenarios, that single 24 pin 12 volt power connector could actually fall short in terms of power. That is the reason MSI has introduced a brand new supplemental PCI power connector, guys. If you actually have a look at the bottom profile of this brand new Z800 series or X870 series motherboards, right, you'll find a brand new PCI power connector on the bottom profile. This will deliver additional power for your GPU, guys, even if you're using like demanding GPUs and trying to run like powerful workloads or applications, right? This additional PCI power connector will get your job done. Now obviously for this you'll need like a compatible power supply also, right? That is the reason we'll be using something brand new from MSI. So in the home we have their all new MAG series A1250GL 80 plus gold rated power supply. Now this is also ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 ready power supply, perfectly compatible with your brand new motherboard. Available in different wattage capacities. Today in the home we have the 1250 watt variant, and as I've told you, since it's ATX 3.1 compatible, this power supply can offer up to like 2 times higher total power excursion and also up to 3 times higher GPU power excursion to even meet like your demanding workloads. Last but not the least, the power supply also comes with a native PCIe 5.1 dual color 16 pin cable for the GPU. So this will give you a clear indication whether you've connected that 600 watt 16 pin PCI connector to the GPU fully inserted or not. Talking about the GPU, I know you people are curious about this part, right? So I'll be using like a very powerful RTX 4080 Super for this build that comes with like 16 GB GDDR6 memory and is like ideal for both creativity, productivity, or even gaming sort of workloads. See, on this sort of configuration, right, you can easily do 4K AAA gaming with 100 plus FPS, guys. And yes, obviously you can do like games with ray tracing, frame generation, DLSS, all these NVIDIA technologies will be supported. Okay, so what are we left with? RAM, storage, cooler, and the case, right? So talking about the RAM, we'll be using Kingston's Fury Renegade 32GB 16x2 DDR5 RAM clocked at 6400 MT per second. If you ask about the cooler, for this sort of configuration, right, I wouldn't settle for anything less than a 360mm AIO. In fact, we actually have a brand new cooler from MSI. This is their MAG series Core Liquid i360 AIO cooler. Features a dual-sided infinity mirror design with beautiful ARGB lighting, fully controllable via MSI's Mystic Lighting software. Plus, one more main thing is, previously on your old coolers, right, you used to get like multiple number of brackets, guys, and whether you're using it on AMD platform or Intel platform, you'll have to remove the bracket from the pump head so that you could properly mount it and install on your motherboard, right? Now MSI has got rid of that, guys. They've introduced a brand new uni bracket design, that too pre-installed on the AIO cooler pump head. Now you don't need to keep removing the brackets, guys. This single uni bracket will work with both AMD or Intel platform. Makes things very easy for all the PC builders out there. Last but not the least, we have a brand new case in the home from MSI, Pano 100R PZ edition case. It's a beautiful mid-tower gaming PC case and supports lots of interesting features. First of all, guys, you're getting a 270-degree panoramic tempered glass panel view that offers like a beautiful interior view of all your RGB components and supports multiple AIO cooler radiator mounts. You can fix a 360mm radiator at the top, on the side profile, on the bottom profile, wherever you want to go for. Plus, the case also comes with like 4 pre-installed ARGB fans. Out of that, one is your regular ARGB fan at the back profile, and to the side you're actually getting 3 reverse blade fan designs, guys, to offer like optimum amount of airflow. So that's it, guys. This is a whole configuration we'll be using for today's all MSI Core Ultra PC build, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. And boys, we're finally done, and here's our very first look at our all MSI Ultra Edition gaming PC build. And initial impressions, I have to say, that is one massive looking gaming PC, right? Well, obviously the Pano 100R PZ case is a dual chamber case, guys. You're getting a separate section for the power supply and also organizing all your cables. So on the front profile, you're gonna get a very neat and modern looking design. So what I'll do is I'll quickly power it on and show you how this baby looks like. Oh my god, are you people looking at this? Holy freaking moly, that is one absolutely gorgeous looking PC, guys. I mean, look at the whole lighting over here. RGB-licious is what I can say. And especially the interior components, guys. Main highlight would be that all new i360 AIO cooler from MSI. You're getting a dual-sided infinity mirror design, and the whole RGB lighting in the PC is fully customizable using MSI's Mystic Lighting software. Very beautiful, very demure looking PC, right? Just have a look at these beautiful shots, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, moving on, let's directly get into the benchmarks. I've run a couple of benchmarks like Geekbench and Cinebench. Just have a look at the scores. Again, as I've told you at the beginning, we won't be doing like a detailed review of the Core Ultra 9285K because we have already done that during the launch itself. I'll leave a link to that in the card above. You can go there and check out in detail review on the CPU. See, the main purpose of building this PC was for like creators, right? Basically for like productivity, content creation, photo editing, video editing and stuff like that. And for that, I've already shown you all the creator oriented brand new components from MSI and how convenient it makes things for all the people out there. There is nothing less you can expect over here. This is like a dream PC for content creation and workstation purpose, guys. No matter what sort of application or workload you throw at it, it handles it like a breeze. For example, right now as you can see, we've been doing a bit of Photoshop and also video editing on Premiere Pro, and the performance was like really good, guys. No matter how intense graphical applications workloads you throw at it, right, it was handling it very well. And not only that, coming to Premiere Pro, I've also done a bit of 4K video editing over here. One of my videos only, which is shot in like 420 10-bit 4K format, that too at 50 FPS, and the PC was handling all the video editing, timeline performance, everything was like really smooth, guys. As you can see, there is no sort of lag or stutter on the timeline, very smooth performance. And not just this, even the render times was also very good, guys. A 8-minute 4K 50 FPS 10-bit file could be exported in less than 3 minutes. That is the kind of performance we are getting over here. And if you are thinking that this is only for content creation, no man, that is where you're wrong. You can also do a bit of gaming as well. At the beginning only I've told you, right, this gaming PC was designed for like excellent 4K AAA gaming, and no matter what sort of AAA title game you throw at it, play it at maximum ultra graphics preset also, you are gonna get like an absolutely muska gaming experience on this thing. And to show you that, today we'll be playing some graphic intensive AAA titles, starting off with our all-time favorite Cyberpunk 2077. So we're playing the game at 4K resolution, and as you people can see, all the graphics have been set to maximum, guys. Ultra preset is what I can say. So we'll be doing two kinds of tests. In the first gameplay clip, we won't be using any sort of NVIDIA technologies like ray tracing, DLSS or frame generation. I want to show you the raw rasterization performance of the hardware configuration. So let's see how it goes. Oh wow, are you people looking at this? We're playing Cyberpunk 2077 at 4K maximum graphics without any sort of frame generation or DLSS upscaling, and still getting around like 60-65 FPS on an average, guys. Really good raw rasterization performance, I would say. Well, obviously you're pairing an Intel Core Ultra 9 with a 4080 Super with 16GB GDDR6 memory. That was expected. Now let's quickly enable ray tracing at 4K resolution and see if this PC can handle it. And along with ray tracing, we'll also be testing out DLSS and frame generation as well. So there you go, I've enabled the settings and you can immediately notice the difference. I mean, look at the FPS at the top left corner. Previously in the first clip, we were getting an average of around like 60-65 FPS, right? Now with all these NVIDIA technologies, we can see a massive improvement and we're almost getting like triple digit FPS over here, guys. 105, 108 FPS in Cyberpunk 2077 at 4K maximum graphics. Now that is the kind of performance I'm talking about. Buttery smooth experience. Let's also check out some other games. Moving on to Horizon Forbidden West. This game also will be playing at 4K resolution only and maximum graphics, basically very high preset. Here also in this first test, we won't be using NVIDIA technologies, no DLSS upscaling, no frame generation. We want to check out the raw rasterization performance. And there you go, on an average, we were getting around like 60-65 FPS, just like Cyberpunk 2077, guys. Here also at 4K resolution maximum graphics, very consistent and stable FPS, 60 plus FPS at 4K resolution settings. Now let's quickly enable DLSS and also frame generation, and bam! You can immediately notice a big difference, right? We have straight gone into like triple digit FPS. From 60-65, now we are getting almost like 115 to 120 FPS, guys. Insane performance boost, I would say. All of this at 4K maximum graphics settings. Last but not the least, let's also play Spider-Man Remastered. This is also one of my classic favorites, I would say. We're playing the game at 4K resolution. Again, maximum graphics preset, very high settings. In this first test, no ray tracing, no DLSS enabled. And on an average, we were getting around like 120 to 130 FPS. Quickly enabling ray tracing and also DLSS, bam! Even with ray tracing at 4K resolution, we were getting a stable result of almost like 125 to 135 FPS on an average, guys. Very consistent Muska performance is what I can say. I'm telling you, right, this could be like a dream gaming PC configuration for a lot of you people out there. Well, that is pretty much it. This is what I wanted to share with you all in this video. So before wrapping it up, let's talk about the pricing details. In case if you want to build a similar all MSI Ultra Edition gaming PC build, right, it's gonna roughly cost you around like 2.7 to 2.8 lakh rupees in the Indian market. MSI is having a special campaign going on, guys, a special discount campaign, I would say, powered by MSI 2024, where if you buy like MSI components, right, you can earn up to 10,000 rupees Amazon Pay e-gift card voucher. All you need to do is buy any two qualifying MSI products under different categories, and you'll need to basically like register them and submit your claims in member center on their website, and that's it, as simple as that. So let me quickly show you how the process goes on the website. You even have a calculator on the website, guys. So before buying itself, you can select the products in different categories and check up to how much cash back you can earn. So once you purchase all the products and build your PC, right, all you need to do is head over to this website and simply log in. If you don't have an account, right, very easy to create, and once you do that, you'll need to submit your invoices. So head over to the promotion section and click on powered by MSI 2024 and upload all the products and also the invoice copies along with their serial number located on the product, and that's it. Bam! Once you do that, wait for like 7 to 14 days and you'll automatically get a mail with your redeemable Amazon gift card coupon code. So I'll leave link to that in the description box below. You can check out all the details over there. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got to learn a lot, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And by the way, guys, wishing you all a very happy new year.